Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is natural fiber. In your previous classes you might have gone through with it fibers. In this chapter we are going to study only natural fibers. So what is natural fibers? Natural fibers are the fibers which we get from animals or plant, means from the nature itself. And artificial fibers are those fibers which we get or which we can make with the help of synthetic or chemicals. So today we are going to study natural fiber. I must be very surprised if you don't know any name of the fibers, like you must have heard about wool, silk. You must have heard in your home about wool and silk. They are the common natural fibers. So today we are going to study about wool. Wool is basically obtained from the fleece of a sheep or a goat, either from the sheep or the goat. Woolen clothes you might have heard, or you have used woolen clothes in winter season. So those are the fleece. Fleece means a collection of fiber from those animals known as fleece. So wool, if we are using wool, then it must be having some qualities into it. So what can be the qualities? They are the complex animal protein. First thing, when we burn it, so it smells like burning hair. Like when we burn the wool, it smells like we are burning hairs. Okay, they are generally creamy white in color, and they are wrinkle. They do not wrinkle easily, absorb moisture. So these are the characteristics of wool. So now wool, we know it very well. We get from the camel, yak, and all animals. So now what a wool we get from? So now this is a wool yielding animal. As we know, it's very common from goat and sheep. So what sort of goats are they? Angora. In a picture it will be very much clear that Angora goat, Kashmir goat, Kashmiri goat, the goat, the fleece which we get from these animals are named after it, like Kashmiri shawl. These are those shawls are made from the Kashmiri goat. Now, Angora goat, where it is found? Origin in Turkey, in Angora region. Okay, from it we get high quality fleece. Kashmir goat, these are found in higher plateau of China, Mongolia, and Tibet. Okay, they provides the fiber for making wool. Kashmiri goat, they are from the Kashmir itself, of high quality texture and warm. The wool which we get is quite warm, soft. Okay, now what are the other animals? Camels are there, which from we get wool. So camel wool is picked, basically is naturally beautiful in color. So it can be Bactrian camel or llama camel. Bactrian camel or llama camel. So the quality of wool which we get from these sheep or these animals makes the wool important, and depending on the how qualitative wool is, how much it's soft, how much colorful it is, they can be categorized into expensive or rare wool. Sheep as well. Sheep is a bulk collection of wool from sheep, as we all know. More than 95% comes from sheep, because sheep has long fiber hair like growth on their body. Okay, now there are two processes involved into it: sheep rearing and breeding. What is rearing? Rearing is collection of fleece from the sheep. One sheep is selected, they are having a fiber, they are having a lot of hair on their body. You might have seen in the pictures, they have a lot of hairs. So the removing of those hairs, quality hairs, so that we can get good quality fleece or wool, is that process known as rearing. Breeding, what is breeding then? If we find a certain sort of sheep is having good wool, so what we do, we need that wool continuously. So we crossbreed. Two different types of sheep are crossed together, so that the baby which is born given birth by those sheep would be of the same and good quality, that so that they can give good quality fleece. Okay students, so this is for the day. topic is over. Read that book properly up to this topic and try to solve short answer type questions and exercise. Okay, thank you.